Does Samsung TV Plus have ESPN? Samsung TV Plus is a free streaming service that offers various live TV channels, but it does not include ESPN. Since ESPN is a premium sports network, it is typically available through cable subscriptions or paid streaming services. However, Samsung Smart TV users can still watch ESPN through alternative streaming options. 1. Understanding Samsung TV Plus channel lineup. Samsung TV Plus provides free access to a variety of channels, including news, entertainment, and sports content. While the service offers some sports-related channels, it does not include major premium sports networks like ESPN. Users looking for live ESPN broadcasts must explore alternative streaming services. 2. How to watch ESPN on a Samsung Smart TV. Step 1. Press the Home button on the Samsung remote and open the Apps section. Step 2. Search for the ESPN app and install it from the Samsung Smart Hub. Step 3. Open the app and sign in with an ESPN Plus subscription or a TV provider login. Step 4. Access live games, highlights, and exclusive ESPN Plus content directly on the TV. 3. Streaming ESPN without cable on Samsung TV. For users without a cable subscription, ESPN is available through several live TV streaming services. Platforms such as Hulu plus Live TV, YouTube TV, Sling TV, and Fubo TV offer ESPN as part of their channel lineup. These apps can be downloaded from the Samsung App Store and require a paid subscription. 4. Using AirPlay or casting to watch ESPN. If the ESPN app is unavailable on a Samsung TV, users can cast ESPN content from their smartphones or tablets using AirPlay for iPhone users, or Chromecast for Android users. This allows ESPN streams from the ESPN app or compatible streaming services to be displayed on the TV wirelessly. 5th, alternatives for free sports content on Samsung TV Plus. While ESPN is not available on Samsung TV Plus, users can explore free sports-related channels like beIN Sports, X-Ray, Fubo Sports Network, and Pac-12 Insider. These channels provide sports news, highlights, and some live events without a subscription. However, they do not offer the same live coverage as ESPN. Samsung TV Plus does not include ESPN, but users can watch ESPN through the ESPN app, live TV streaming services, or casting options. By selecting the right method, sports fans can still enjoy their favorite ESPN content on a Samsung Smart TV.